perfect start to a Sunday. So this is what Church Street looks like in the morning. And this is what Church Street looks like in the evenings. Boop. We just crossed 100 subscribers. Good morning and welcome to a day in my life. And I also know that I look a little sleepy and tired. So since I've gotten my coffee and energy in me, welcome to a day in my life on a Sunday. Today is the only day I get off work and there are a lot of things I want to do. Time right now is 6:50. I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah. And you might be wondering, dude, it's a Sunday. Why do you have to wake up so early? I'm talking from experience, but I look forward to a Sunday for the entire week, okay? And if I wake up late and I just relax and take it easy on a Sunday, by the time it's evening, I'm like, damn, I just wasted the entire day and I feel very guilty and I hate that feeling. So that's why I'm like, even if it's a Sunday, I'm going to wake up at 6 and do everything I want to do and have fun. So even if it's a Sunday, I make it a point to wake up at 6 to do the things I really want to do. Please do like and subscribe. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the reason why I like coming so early in the morning is to avoid all the traffic, but even today I feel like I'm a bit too late. That building is called Vidhan Sauda and that's kind of like the White House of Karnataka. People usually come here to take pictures and do all these touristy things and I usually run past them, but look at me now. And now we'll go to my favorite place in the entire city of Bangalore. And that place, if you have been around the channel, you'll probably know is Cubbon Park. And on Sundays, a part of the park is reserved for dogs and it's called Dog Park. Let's go meet some doggos. Rio. Who's a good boy? Hi, doggo. Doggo. Oh. Hi, Messi. Boop. I feel like that's what heaven on earth looks like. Yeah, so that is what I call a perfect start to a Sunday. So this is what Church Street looks like in the morning. But I'll show you more of that later. Okay, let's get back home right now. But before we head home, there's one last spot I want to show you. And yeah, that is my college. And it's been over a year since I last came here because of the whole pandemic and online classes after that. But hopefully I'll revisit it sometime. I have like very fond memories of going to college and after that going and having masala dosa over there. Right there. Yeah. But you know what? I can't have masala dosa anymore. Mainly because I'm following keto now. Today's day 7 of the keto diet for a week. I'm making a whole video about it where you can check out over there. Yeah, so just got back. The time right now is about 10:10, and what that also means is that it's time for breakfast. So what we have in here is chocolate protein powder, coffee powder, peanuts, and just a little bit of coconut oil just to give it a little flavor. Honestly, the combination of chocolate, protein powder and peanuts. Yeah, so basically spent about 1 hour watching YouTube videos and just chilling. I'm 21 years old. I live alone. And today is 14th February, which is Valentine's Day. So you know what that means? Time to do adult stuff. And get down on all fours and clean the entire house tile by tile. The house is clean and now grocery shopping. Grocery shopping for the week is done. The clothes are being washed and the house has also been cleaned. So now it's time to wash my face. Yeah, so feeling clean and nice, but now it's time for lunch. Oh yeah, but before that, a lot of guys personally come and ask me whether I do my eyebrows or not, and the answer is yes. They also always tell me how they don't like their unibrows and at the same time are too afraid to do their eyebrows because they are scared of getting judged. But you know what? Screw that. Do whatever you want to do. And also, since today is 14th of February, which is also Valentine's Day, it's all about self-love and self-care. So you do you, man. Okay, but seriously, now it's time for lunch. I'm hungry. In goes the chicken. So this is a pro tip. The fastest way of chopping a cauliflower. Get a container. Put your cauliflower in. And now all you gotta do is use your ninja skills and just go all out. Hiya. And also literally makes no mess. All that's in there right now is cauliflower, chicken and some seasonings. And after it's done cooking, we'll add the good stuff. Oh yeah. And the reason why I put the butter or the cream in the corner of the dish and not mix it along with it is so that I get to decide how much butter or cream I want with every bite. So yeah, just going to YouTube and chill. I have 2 pans. One is a good pan and one is this pan. I eat directly from it because the number of dishes I'll have to do will be lesser. So yeah, done with lunch, as you can tell by the empty pan. Yeah, so just feeling very comfortable on my bed and kind of want to sleep. But at the same time, I also want to edit my next video, which is coming up. What is my head? I'm gonna finish editing the video that you are going to see today, which is called Keto for a Week, which I'll link over there. Glasses on, and I've also got my coffee. And right now I'm editing the video that will have already been released by the time you watch this, called Keto for a Week. You can check that video out over here, where I basically tried the ketogenic diet for 1 week and gave you my honest review. Honestly, only the editing takes 6 to 7 hours per video. So please do subscribe, it honestly means a lot. And I also respond to each and every one of your comments, and I'm also reading it, so it actually means a lot. So yeah, finally I'm done editing the video called Keto for a Week, which you can check out there. And yeah, it's been almost 2 hours since I last checked up on you. Just finished editing my video and the time right now is 8:30. Before we go, I just need to tell you something. We just crossed 100 subscribers. Woo! My friend Dennis, who you might recognize from the Kochi video which I made over there, is the one who made it for me. If you like this channel and also like the videos I make, please do subscribe and also comment. I read each and every one of your comments and reply to everybody too. And now let's explore the nightlife in Bangalore. And you remember Church Street, right? Wait until you see it now. I also feel like I'm going to be the most poorly dressed person there because I'm just wearing like a hoodie and some shorts. And since today's Valentine's Day, all the couples will be wearing all like nice fancy clothes and all. And this is what Church Street looks like in the evenings. And I think there's only one rule of vlogging in India, and that is not giving a shit. And today being 14th Feb, I know love is supposed to be in the air and all, but I'm honestly spending time doing the thing I actually really love doing, which is YouTube. So do hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.